Good morning, everyone. I am about to show you some little video clips and pictures. I am actually in Cancun, Mexico right now. I was asked to come along with a good friend that I met through the YouTube channel first, and then she is also in my group on Facebook. She has had all of her teeth extracted, many implants and snap-in dentures put in, and she actually had her work done in Cancun here in 2018. So she has made a couple trips back since her surgery because she's had some issues. Now, the issues that she has had is not the fault of the place that she went to, which is Cancun Cosmetic Dentistry. It is not her fault necessarily. She has had some issues getting her snap-in dentures in and out to clean them properly. And it is mainly because when they do the snap-ins here, they put 8 implants in on top and bottom. So those snap-in dentures are snug. And if the O-rings that you have, which are the little rubber gaskets that go in the hose that the implants go into that secure your dentures, if those O-rings are too tight, it creates a really tight suction. But those O-rings that or rubber gaskets that are inside the O-rings, there's different colors for different tension levels. She had a really tight tension, which has made it more difficult for her to get those dentures out because she has some dexterity issues in her thumbs and hands. So that is the reason that she has had some issues with the implant. If you do go with the snap-in dentures option as what you're going to do for your full mouth restoration, it's very important to take those in and out and clean them at least twice a day and clean the implants good. Without that, the way that Dr. Azate explained to both of us, food gets trapped in between the denture and the implants, and that could cause those implants to fail. So she's had some issues. She's going back in for surgery this morning. They are going to remove a few implants, place some additional implants, and when we go back this week, they are going to work on changing those rubber gaskets to a tension that is change those O-rings or rubber gaskets to a tension that is loose enough that she's able to get these snap-ins in and out for proper cleaning. And I honestly, when I was in with her on her consultation on Saturday morning, it occurred to me, that's why I am here. This is why I'm here. This is why I do what I do. She has been a fantastic support for myself, for the group. She has supported me from day one, and it's important for me to give back. I'm very into my spirituality and my faith. I believe that everything happens for a reason, and I believe that God brought me here to help her. I told her and I told Dr. Azate that it is my goal to work with her and with the clinic to make sure that before we leave the country, she is able to get these dentures in and out by herself. Okay, Dr. Azate did say that I could go back with her this morning, be there with her until they get her sedated, and then when she goes back for her appointments this week to have her new set of snap and dentures made, he said I could come back or go back and kind of watch their process. Now, I think all of you all know how I feel about traveling out of the country for dental work. I've never been a huge fan of this, just because I feel like if you get back to the States and you start having problems, if you are not able to travel back here, that could be an issue, because a lot of dentists in the States will not see a patient that has had work out of the country. However, I have been able to meet a few people since we've been here that have come from the States, and have been able to successfully restore their smile and get their self-esteem and confidence back. And they wouldn't have been able to do that otherwise, because they did not have the money to have the work done in the States. So my feelings are starting to change. My feelings are starting to change. I really like the clinic that she goes to. Dr. Azate is a fantastic dentist. It's Dr. German Azate. I have some pictures of him and I that I'm going to insert in the video. And his heart is, he just wants to help people. He is a sculptor. He does artwork. He is a sculptor. He makes sculptures for a living, along with his dentistry. So he's just fantastic with his hands. But anyhow, I want to show you guys some pictures of the trip so far. It's been really nice. This trip is not a vacation for me. I think that's important. I'm very blessed, and I was able to take yesterday and relax, because I do work 7 days a week. Every trip I've taken this summer, I have worked the entire time. That's just the way I am. There's always someone that needs help, always. And I feel like, so anyhow, I am still taking calls for the Smile Clinic. You guys know that's where I'm a patient of the Utah Smile Clinic. I have an upper snap indenture on mini implants and the lower 3-on-6, which I had done last October. October the 6th, I had my final zirconia bridges placed in early March. I am doing fantastic. I love, love, love my teeth. I really wish I would have waited and had the 3-on-6 done on top. However, everything happens for a reason. And with me having a removable denture and a permanent set on the bottom, I feel like I'm better able to help others through this process. So if anyone is interested in the 3-on-6 or has questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. There are several people that have come from the channel here and have had the 3-on-6 done because they saw my videos. I'm very, very, very grateful. Bottom line here is that I am a dental advocate. I am a support person. My full-time job is for Smile Systems. However, I am a support person for anyone that is losing their teeth and going through this mentally and emotionally draining process. So I want to be able to be here for anyone that has questions or needs help. So let me get on and show you the little video clips and pictures I took. I hope everyone has a fantastic week. I will leave my information in the description box. And if you prefer to talk to me on the phone, which I prefer to do a phone call, it's just a lot easier, especially if you have detailed questions. It's just a lot easier. I will send me an email and I will give you my phone number. Have a fantastic week, everyone. ahead. Sorry. I made it. This. I am in Cancun in downtown Cancun at the mall, about to accompany my friend to her dental appointment. She has an appointment at 9 o'clock, and she had surgery done 3 years ago. But she had some of her implants that failed, and so she is going to be having some more implants installed, and a new set of snap-in dentures made. So, but because of COVID, I can't go back with her. So there are shops and such around here. There is a food court. So I'm going to find a place to sit down because I have some work I need to get done. Once it hits about 11 or 12 o'clock, I've got some phone calls to make. So, yeah, I've definitely got stuff to do to keep me busy, but I wouldn't miss this. She asked me to come, and I just kind of wanted to see what things were all about as far as traveling out of the country for dental work. So now let me show you. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you like some of the places they have. I'm actually standing at the food court. I'm waiting on her, so I'm gonna show you. They have a Burger King and a little Pizza Hut and some other little places to eat. Just a regular little mall here. It is pretty humid in here. There's no air conditioning, so that's the only bad thing. Look at this water. My goodness gracious. Beautiful. It's a beautiful day. Look at the ocean. Hola! Look at this gorgeous crystal blue water. So is that downtown Cancun? Jennifer? Is that downtown Cancun?
That's more of Cancun.